call. बाप रे बाप. Hi again.
चेंज करो ना अपना बैकग्राउंड.
क्या क्या?
अपना बैकग्राउंड चेंज करो ना.
नहीं, I'm happy with my घर का background. It's lockdown. I don't want to be a part of Bahamas and Hawaii right now.
Always.
How
Wait,
are
I
you?
will try to put something. Okay. Anyway.
Yeah. So tell me, how are you? Your voice is a little feeble, I think. If we can work on that.
Is this better?
Yeah, but it's blocking the face that you have, so it's not really better. But how are you? How are you holding up inside the house? Seeing this,
I'm very happy inside the house. I'm a very docile indoor creature unless I really have to travel and stuff. So while I'm in the city.
But let me just bring it for everyone's notice, bring it up for everyone's notice that you are a solo traveler and you love traveling and you are always out, be it as a part of the group or you're just very good at traveling alone. So how are you inside? I mean, aren't you feeling really suffocated? Or are you enjoying?
No, there's a thing about traveling is that it happens sometimes a year, not every day. So, I mean, I do stay indoors when I'm not traveling. Like last year when I was in Kuala Lumpur, I really didn't have a social life. So I would either work from home or even if I went to office, I came back home and I was like just indoors. I would hardly ever go out. And it's pretty good actually. I have no complaints till now. I have a kitchen and I'm comfortable, good Wi-Fi.
How do you feel about the long distance finally bridging up and you and Nishant staying together? I mean, how's that treating you?
Okay, good question. Yeah. I don't have an answer yet because this is like a jail, okay? Like from long distance to 24/7, ek dusre ki shakal dekho, that's too extreme.
But don't you like this is like the perfect prep before the marriage? I mean, you anyway have to stay like that. So how what better than this that you're actually prepping up before the real wedding happens?
Everybody, yeah, it's like a mock trial. Like I'm literally living with Nishant and his mom in his mother's house.
Yeah.
And it's not going to be like this after marriage.
So, okay.
No. Because we work in different cities still. But yeah, it's I haven't discovered any new side of anybody till now. So it's pretty much trying not to think about it. The only way to deal with the lockdown is to not think about it as a lockdown.
Perfect. Yeah. That is why I'm keeping myself engaged and my close friends engaged by giving them a call once in a while and trying to take them away from whatever little negativity that might have crept in. I was like, I have to turn around the tables. So what about the wedding? Let's address the elephant in the room. What really happened and when is it gonna happen again? Because I also got a text from Divya and Saurabh wala part, and that's also postponing. And obviously all the weddings are, even in my family, weddings have been postponed. So what's your scene? क्या हुआ? कब क्या हो रहा है?
Okay, so I think by mid of March itself, because Nishant's relatives stay in the US. And Nishant's sister, mother, almost everybody in his family is diabetic as well.
Okay.
So the moment this coronavirus started becoming an international thing, we automatically knew that it's not safe for Nishant's sister to travel. Or if she travels and brings the virus home by any chance, even if it's like a 0.1% chance, his mom is above 60 and diabetic. So that was the decision we took to postpone the marriage much before the lockdowns were initiated anywhere in India or even international travel was banned. And yeah, I mean, it was weird, but I couldn't be upset about it. I don't know what is the designated emotion to such a scenario.
Yeah.
It's never happened before. It's not unfortunate. All of us are alive and safe.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, it felt like, why didn't I do this in Jan? That kind of a thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, apart from that, everyone's going through that, so I'm not alone.
Have you planned it yet? That when is it likely to be postponed or nothing as of now?
No, because we can't put a date on it anymore. We don't know, not just because of Corona, but also because of everybody's availability again. Because, like I said, a lot of his family is traveling from out of India. So now they need to make sure that they have their jobs and everything in place before. Yeah. So no plans. And I don't think it's fun planning it the second time around, honestly.
No, come on, it's not your second time. I mean, you're talking like as if कि दूसरी शादी हो रही है तुम्हारी. It's anyway the first added, and I think वैसे अगर तुम देखना चाहो तो it can be your second marriage, because first you have already gotten married to me. Remember in college days we have got.
I was waiting for that to come up, Sushant.
Yeah, we did the fairas and everything. I think Nishant is unaware of that.
He is very well aware. We did 3 fairas, okay?
एक ही बात है. I think आधी शादी हो गई ना, काफी थी. And I was thinking of bringing this up at your wedding. I was like, ये मेरी है. हम मेरे पास शादी के photos और videos है.
Yeah, Channa Mereya and everything.
I would definitely do that. I would definitely. I have already planned my outfit. I was actually gonna wear black at your Sangeet, and I was like, "Ye Sangeet mein, if I'm performing, this is my outfit and this is how I'm gonna sing."
Let's see. Version 2.0 में क्या होता है? I have no clue, dude. Like seriously.
I know.
Date.
Did you also
guest list,
incur losses and all? या सब कुछ normal था?
See, the thing is that everybody who would book their flights, or we'd book flights for some of our relatives or whatever. Now, because of the lockdown, all airlines have kind of given you credit or a refund or something. They have their own policies in place. So, and the venue that we'd booked, we haven't gone down to the minute details with them. We've just had a short conversation with them wherein we talked about postponing the marriage ceremony. So yeah, I mean, I guess if we plan to do it in December, we might lose some money because that's a peak season. So the rates for April and December might differ, etc. But I don't think it's like a major loss.
Okay. Unlike one of my friends who's actually a lot of money went down the drain because they were supposed to do it on a very auspicious date and there was no refund policy, so it just got down the drain. Bad for him.
Oh yeah. They might have to look into it. There must be some laws protecting them from something like this.
Maybe I didn't quite delve into it deeper. But so how are you doing? What are you doing at home? Are you cooking? I mean, everyone's there has their own way of coping up at quarantine. What are you doing inside the house? Apart from being with Nishant so much and not giving your friends enough time, what are you doing?
Right. Thank you for that taunt. But to continue, I try to get into some sort of a routine which I've lacked for the last 3 years, whether it was college or student exchange or the job I had. I just didn't have a routine.
Mm-hmm.
So forcing myself into a routine, like getting up, doing a little bit of exercise, and then getting to work, eating my meals on time, and then after I log off, if I log off by 7:30 or 8 or before from work, then I make it a point to cook dinner.
Okay.
Weekends so anyway I cook, but I like cooking dinner because दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा. I don't know what, like Netflix, you can't just rely on Netflix for the rest of your life.
I know, yeah, very true. I mean, you need some activity to do. But how much will you watch? How much will you consume as a hogger? I mean, I watch everything under the sun, sub-genre, everything, every Hindi, English. I'm also watching Bengali shows now. But I'm just wondering कि कितने दिन? I mean, it's just getting extended. 15th से 30th हो गया, and I'm assuming if 30th से 30th May हो gया, my soul will leave my body.
Gone.
I am gonna do that. And I'm very...
The unfortunate thing is that I don't really have the patience to read a book. I have realized that I'm a very, very impatient person. I probably think faster than I do anything else. So
Okay.
overthinker, that kind of thing. So I can't get myself to read a book. So yeah, I don't know. Cooking is like the only thing which kind of slows me down a little bit, because it has to take that much time to cook. You can't do anything about it.
And on top of that, you are working out, and that's quite showing in your healthy, supple skin that I'm seeing after days of not seeing you. It's you're looking all fresh and marriage ready, is what I'll say.
Yeah, staying indoors away from the
What are
sun
you
does
doing?
that
What
for
are you doing
everyone.
differently for your skin? Are you doing some
Nothing.
skincare, something? Don't lie. Don't be this. I woke up like this. I'll
Tell you what.
Yeah,
You should try better lighting. Okay, everybody's skin looks like this in better lighting.
Oh, okay. That's a good thing.
That's the only thing I'm doing for my skin. All the Zoom calls that I do for my meetings, I just make sure I'm sitting right below a white light.
Has work gone more hectic than before? Do you think work from home is really more hectic than work from office? Because I am clearly facing that, and it's gotten on my nerves now, and people are just not respecting timelines, and I have to deal with it till 11 o'clock at night. How's it with you?
I think the hectic part is only because... I'm sorry, what?
Yeah, in the new job. I mean, I'm just...
The new job. So I think it's hectic only because of the barriers to the human interaction.
Yeah.
That's the only thing. Because when you're sitting around in your team, you can just like pull your chair back and tell the other person or ask the other person whatever you want. Here you might have to wait for them to come online on Skype, or if it's red on Skype, you might spend some time asking them, are you busy? You know, yeah. I think it's mostly because of that. I already work for a software as a service company, so the business hasn't changed much, but the way we do it definitely has slowed down a little bit.
Yeah, correct. It has, I'm sure. Let me introduce you to the mascot of our episode, who will be joining in 4 seconds, I think.
There's another person on this?
There will be.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Addy! Thank you!
Well, this is a surprise. I'm good, yeah?
Yeah, we thought that let's do the last segment of this conversation with Sukriti, and which the next segment is called Awkward Questions with Shashank Sukriti, and we do it together with you.
Does that ring a bell, Addy? Awkward Questions with Shashank Sukriti?
Of course it rings a bell. Just seeing you together on the screen rings a bell. I'm not ready for this. Sukriti, how are you? What are you doing on your birthday?
He's doing this.
Yeah, I'm doing this exactly. So you're the special one I chose to do a show with on my birthday.
I knew it. I always knew I'm special.
Yeah, you definitely are. At least to me, a lot.
Sukriti, are you in Delhi or Bombay? Where are you?
Sorry?
Sukriti, are you?
It's really sad that Adit is getting married.
I am very sad, yes. And I've always voiced my opinion on that. I really thought that ring needs to be replaced by mine.
Well, you have too many best friends to give me enough time for me to marry you. You know how demanding I can be.
Our best friend और life partner में difference आ गए.
नहीं होता ना इतने सारे best friends के साथ life partner के लिए time.
Yeah, best friends.
There's a reason why you're still single.
Life partner walks in.
Best friends go out when life partner walks in. Very true. Sukriti has already done that to all of me. Me and other best friends.
Right. Right.
Yeah, I don't want to do that to Sukriti. So I'll stay away from you.
Adit, let's do it. I think we really need to do it.
Let's do it? What? Is this a vulgar lockdown with Shashank? I mean...
So let's start the segment. Sukriti, you go first. I'll start.
Sukriti, there's a lot of background noise that's coming with you. Do you have something going on?
Wait a sec. Just give me a sec.
Yeah.
Shashank, you can start now. Meanwhile.
Adit, are you there?
I am.
Chalo, let's start.
Okay. Is this better?
Yeah, much better.
It is. So much better.
Okay. Cool.
Adit, the first question to you is, what if your one of Nishan's friend hits on you? Since the wedding is postponed now, how would you deal with it? Okay, don't get really.
She's really thinking, huh?
The only thing that's... So each and every friend of Nishan calls me Bhabhi from the day they become friends or from the day they come to know me. Okay? So I was just thinking, if they hit on me, then it would be like a very weird Bhabhi thing. But yeah, if they did hit on me, I would definitely hit back.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay. You have to tell the difference in how you would react in these two situations. So the first one is if you walk in your parents making out versus you walk in on your in-laws making out.
Okay, what is happening with the two of you?
Hence, this is named the awkward segment in Shashank Secretary.
Okay, so wait, this is awkward. दिमाग खराब हो गया तुम लोग का.
You deal differently. First answer that. Will you be dealing it differently or the same? Will you be equally shocked and surprised at the same time?
Shocked तो नहीं ना, मतलब इंसान है, करेंगे जो करना है. But yeah, if I walked in, I've never walked in on anyone making out. Okay, so
The very thought is making you nervous.
yeah, I think so. Maybe I'll tell them
To stop.
that they're doing it wrong or something.
What?
Like ऐसे करते हैं. I don't think there would be any difference.
Okay.
No, there wouldn't be a difference. I would just shut off and run away from both situations and be like, sorry for disturbing your privacy. Please continue.
Okay. I am very tempted to ask a follow-up question, but I think I'll leave it to the end of the show.
No,
or maybe you can answer. Or maybe So what if they walk in on you guys?
And it is
Very interesting. Which ones?
anyone, both of them.
Either, yeah. All together.
I can only think of screaming from the top of my head. It's like, oh
Won't
my
you be
god, what the fuck is
screaming
happening?
already? Won't you be screaming already?
That is a fair point. Yeah, I think I would try my best to get myself covered up first before I have a chance to react.
Okay.
Okay.
And the next question is, what would you prefer using? Your partner's used toothbrush or your partner's used underwear?
Toothbrush.
Okay, how would you react if you turn into a man?
Okay, if that happens, how would I react? Like how long am I a man?
Like you just woke up. You woke up and you saw that you were a man.
I would be really upset. Okay.
Why? No.
I'd be really, really upset. I would suddenly start feeling very privileged.
Oh.
Okay.
And
Okay.
like the ruler of the entire universe, like I can do whatever I want and get away with it. Sorry, Shashank.
Okay, now I get it.
Yeah.
There's a dark sarcasm behind it. What would you prefer, being broke for a year or no sex for a year?
No sex for a year.
Okay.
Yeah, I knew she would answer that. Everyone would answer that, right?
No, not me.
I don't know. None of
Okay. Okay. What's the craziest place you ever made out at?
One place only.
Yeah, the craziest.
Okay, you can mention the top 3, maybe.
Taking ideas from me, huh? Okay, these are very awkward. You should like give a non-awkward question in the middle so that I can recover.
We will give you a soothing end very soon.
Weirdest.
Yeah.
Weirdest. Lift room, like the machine room where the lift is.
Okay.
Okay.
The maintenance room of the lift, or like beach. No, beach not awkward. Yeah, I think that would be it.
Okay.
Public place.
Okay. We'll go ahead with the last part of this last segment. Called how good are you at millennial lingos that we use. We'll be shooting few abbreviations at you, and we'll see if you really know them, and how often do you use them in your chats. And let's see. We'll start. So I think the first one is TBH.
TBH.
TBH, yes.
TBH. Oh, to be honest, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I never use it.
Okay. The second one is SMH.
SMH.
Yeah.
Somehow, I don't. Sorry?
Shaking my head.
Shaving my head.
Shaking.
Shaking.
Oh.
TLTR.
No idea, Shashank.
It's like when Nishant sends you a huge love letter and you reply back saying TLTR.
No idea.
Okay. It's too long to read. TLTR, too long to read.
I don't think these are
Okay.
millennial lingos. These are Shashank and Sukriti lingos.
No,
I'm
these,
telling
trust me, you can check out the Urban Dictionary. People are using them really often these days. Okay, the next one is BTDT.
Stop it, people.
This is the last one.
What is it? BT?
DT.
BTDT.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you use it very often, I'm assuming. This one. The full format.
Bullshit.
No. Now we know what you use very often.
BTDT. No idea. Sorry.
It's been there, done that.
I actually, this would make so much more impact if you type the whole thing. Been there, done that. It doesn't look like.
Yeah,
Please
true,
stop making me
agree.
feel old. Please.
Okay, we'll give you an easy one, like the easiest one. FOMO.
Okay. FOMO. Did you say
Yeah.
FOMO?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's literally SPJMR lingo. Okay, fear of missing out. Got this one.
Yay!
And on that happy note, we will take a sign off. And Adit, it was so nice to chat with you. And thank you, Sukriti, for making it. I mean, she's anyway the mascot of all the ventures that I start.
How many other interviews has she appeared in?
No, we are doing.
So trust me, this is
the first one with her.
the first one. Yeah.
Happy birthday, darling.
Thank you so much.
Really haven't seen you in 1.5 years now, I think.
1.5 years, really.
Lagta hai aise, like just add half a
Nahi.
year extra.
We met exactly today last year.
Yeah.
By the way, huh?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, is it?
Convocation.
Yeah, conversation.
So that marks
All right.
marks mine and Adit's anniversary today. Okay, cool.
Can't get over it.
I cannot.
We are also talking after a year.
No, Adit, we did talk recently.
एक बार से किसका मन भरता है शशांक?
Okay. That's I specifically created this entire podcast thinking in mind that Adit gives me a time. I mean, else you wouldn't have video called you or called you for the second time. So I thought this is the time to do it.
That is very true. I'm a very busy, stuck-up person. That's how people know me.
Chalo, theek hai. Glad to connect with you guys. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.